Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. In the ever-evolving world of wearable technology, 2025 is already shaping up to be a landmark year, and right at the center of the buzz stands a smartwatch that's been quietly building anticipation. The Apple Watch Ultra 3. While much attention has been on Apple's upcoming iPhones and M5-powered MacBooks, the tech community is equally excited about what could be Apple's most capable and intelligent wearable yet, after a relatively minor refresh with the Ultra 2, Apple seems ready to launch a massive leap forward in its smartwatch lineup. If the latest reports, leaks, and insider tips are to be believed, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is not just an update, it's a full-blown reimagining of what a premium smartwatch can offer, blending durability, medical-grade health tracking, extreme outdoor features, and next-gen display technology. Advanced health features. Wellness meets innovation. Health has always been a pillar of the Apple Watch experience, but Ultra 3 is taking things a step further. One of the most talked about new capabilities is hypertension tracking. Instead of replacing your doctor's equipment, the Ultra 3 aims to monitor long-term blood pressure trends. This means it could alert you early if it detects a consistent rise in pressure, helping you take action before problems escalate. Also expected is sleep apnea detection, a highly requested feature. Using oxygen level sensors and machine learning algorithms powered by the upgraded S11 chip, the watch could recognize abnormal breathing patterns during sleep, a sign of undiagnosed apnea. Early warnings like this can drive users to seek professional help, making it potentially life-saving. While full blood glucose tracking isn't expected just yet, the groundwork may begin with enhanced sensor arrays in Ultra 3. This keeps Apple in the race to crack non-invasive glucose monitoring, what many consider the holy grail of wearable health tech. Micro-LED magic. A brighter, sharper display experience. If you thought the Apple Watch Ultra already had an amazing display, wait until you hear this. The Ultra 3 is rumored to feature micro-LED technology, a leap ahead of OLED. Micro-LED offers higher brightness, crisper colors, and improved power efficiency. Imagine being outdoors under harsh sunlight or skiing down a blinding slope. This display is made to shine, literally, with peak brightness potentially hitting 3000 nits or higher, plus better visibility at angles. Micro-LED promises unmatched clarity. Combined with LTPO 3.0 architecture, this allows for buttery smooth always-on experiences without sacrificing battery life. Performance, power, and endurance. The S11 chip advantage at the core of the Ultra 3 will be the all-new S11 processor, designed to handle next-gen sensor data, power complex algorithms, and extend battery life. This isn't just about speed. It's about handling advanced health monitoring while still offering multi-day battery life, a must for outdoor enthusiasts and hardcore fitness users. Battery gains may come from both hardware and software improvements. And speaking of hardware, there are whispers of a revised charging system with faster charging times and improved heat dissipation, thanks to a redesigned metal rear panel. Imagine getting an 80% charge in under 30 minutes, perfect for those who track their sleep and need quick daytime top-ups. Always connected. New design and satellite emergency messaging. While the overall look of the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to maintain its signature rugged charm, Apple might be adding a sleeker form factor and even a new black titanium finish, a stealthier look that many fans have been waiting for. But the real game changer? Satellite messaging support. Just like the emergency SOS feature found in iPhones, this would allow Ultra 3 users to send and receive critical texts when off the grid, ideal for adventurers, hikers, and extreme athletes. In areas without cellular service, this feature could be the difference between danger and safety. Software synergy. watchOS 12 and exclusive features. Hardware is just part of the experience. The watchOS 12 update is expected to bring new features and apps tailored to the capabilities of the Ultra 3. We're talking exclusive watch faces, enhanced action button functions, real-time environmental metrics, and possibly topographic maps. For hikers and mountaineers, these software updates are designed to fully utilize the power of the S11 chip and advanced sensors, delivering a uniquely rich user experience. Whether you're tracking elevation, monitoring health data, or navigating rough terrain, the Ultra 3 could become an essential tool for your daily life or your next adventure. Competition. Standing tall against Garmin and Samsung in the rugged smartwatch market, Garmin has long been dominant, especially in battery life and niche sport tracking. However, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is positioning itself as a direct challenger with unmatched ecosystem integration, intelligent health features, and a sleek user experience. When stacked against Samsung's Galaxy Watch Pro, Apple's edge will likely be its precision-engineered hardware, new health sensors, and potentially life-saving features like satellite communication and hypertension tracking. Release date, pricing, and final word. All signs point to a spring 2025 launch. giving it a moment outside of Apple's usual fall release window and perfect timing for spring, summer adventures, with all the premium upgrades, from micro-LED displays to cutting-edge health features. Expect the price to edge higher, likely starting around $849 or more. But with what's packed inside, the Ultra 3 is shaping up to be worth every cent. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 could redefine what it means to wear a smartwatch. It's not just a device for fitness or notifications, it's a tool for life enhancement, health monitoring, and personal safety, all on your wrist. So now, I want to hear from you. Which rumored feature has you most excited? Is it the health tech like hypertension alerts? The new micro-LED display? Or the possibility of satellite messaging that keeps you connected in the wild? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications here on Techno Trend Zone to stay in the loop with all the latest innovations in wearable tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.